Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the belt pulley on a Samsung ecobubble washing machine. If you notice that your drum isn't turning during a cycle, it may well be that the belt pulley has failed and it needs replacing. It may well also be that the belt itself has come loose or has broken, but we'll show you how to check for that in this video as well. For this fix, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a 19mm spanner, and a pair of safety gloves. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I need to do is, using my Phillips head screwdriver, undo the screws that hold the back panel in place. You can then pull the back panel away. With the back off, we can now check the belt inside the washing machine. If the belt is snapped, worn, or has come loose from the pulley or the motor spindle, then this will be the problem instead of a faulty pulley. If that's the case, you will simply need to remove and replace the belt. Now, the belt replacement and refitting process is also covered later in this video alongside the pulley replacement, and we'll include a link to new belts in the description. If you found that your belt is fine, then one way to identify that your pulley definitely needs replacing is to run a cycle with the back panel still removed. If you see that the motor, the belt and the pulley are all turning during a cycle, but the drum isn't, and you can see this from the front of the machine, this will also mean that the pulley needs replacing. To remove the pulley, we need to start by removing the belt from the pulley. To do this, pull the belt down from the top whilst pulling it towards you from the bottom. Now, the belt might come off quite quickly, so make sure that you've got your safety gloves on and be careful to make sure it doesn't pop off and hit you as you remove it. Now it's time to remove the pulley. For this step, you will need to keep the drum still while you work. One way to do this is to put the screwdriver into the drum from the back, and then that can lock the pulley into position while you use the spanner to undo the bolt. Another way is to use an extra pair of hands to hold the drum from the front. Before purchasing a new belt pulley for your Samsung ecobubble washing machine, you're going to need to know the exact model number. This will ensure that you're getting the right part for your appliance. Now, if you're not sure about where to find the model number on your washing machine, check out our video here, how to find the model number on your washing machine. That will give you everything you need to know. To fit the new belt pulley, line up the middle key slot over the spindle and tightly rescrew the bolt into place using the 90mm spanner. To fit a belt, simply line up the ribbed side of the belt with the ribs in the motor spindle at the bottom so it doesn't come off during a cycle. Then, keeping the belt taut, work one side around as much of the belt pulley as you can whilst turning it. Now, do make sure that you don't trap your fingers in between the belt pulley and the machine, and take your time with this. Just ensure that you're doing it properly, but of course safely. Keep turning it, keeping the belt taut, and it should work its way onto the pulley. like so. You can now refit the back panel and re-screw in the Phillips head screws. So there we have it, one new belt pulley fitted to the Samsung ecobubble washing machine. Hopefully your machine is now up and running perfectly once again. And while you're here, it's important to know that there is more to keeping your machine running safely than simply replacing parts. Check out our video here, important safety checks for your washing machine to keep your machine running safely and efficiently. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more repair guides, appliance maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.